If you're tired of tangled charging cables cluttering your car or workspace, the Eettvekd Coiled USB-C charger cable offers a smart, space-saving solution. Designed specifically for CarPlay and Android Auto users, this 3-foot retractable cable keeps your setup neat without sacrificing reach or performance. This cable stretches from 1 foot up to 3.28 feet, giving you just the right length whether you're driving, camping, or working at your desk. The coiled design prevents annoying tangles and knots, making it easy to store and quick to use. It's the perfect balance of flexibility and convenience for everyday charging needs. Beyond its clever design, the Eettvekd charger cable delivers serious power. Supporting fast charging up to 60 W, it ensures your iPhone 17, 16, 15, or Galaxy S26 and other Android devices charge quickly and safely. Plus, with data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second, syncing your devices is smooth and efficient. Built to last, this cable features a durable braided PU exterior paired with a sturdy aluminum alloy housing. This combo prevents fraying and breakage at the connectors, which are usually the weakest points. The result is a reliable, wear-resistant cable that stands up to daily use, whether in your car or on the go. Compatibility is another strong point. Whether you use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, this cable supports a wide range of devices including the latest iPhone and Samsung Galaxy models, Google Pixel, Moto G, LG, and OnePlus. It's a versatile charger that fits seamlessly into your tech ecosystem. Eettvekd is a certified brand focused on quality and customer satisfaction. With your purchase, you get 2 cables, one for your car and a spare for home or travel. This thoughtful pairing means you're always ready to charge, no matter where you are. If you want a durable, fast-charging cable that stays organized and works with your favorite devices, this is worth a look. The Eettvekd Coiled USB-C charger cable combines smart design with dependable performance, making it a solid choice for anyone who values convenience and quality. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience. Whether for personal use or as a practical gift, these cables deliver what you need: fast charging, data syncing, and a tangle-free design you can count on every day.